If you want your whole house to smell like fall, make this simmer pot with me. So you cut up 2 apples. It could be any brand, doesn't matter. I'm going to put that into a boiling pot of water. I use about 2.5 cups. Now for the spices, you want to use ground cloves, ground cinnamon, 2 cinnamon sticks, and vanilla. Then you want to let it sit for a little bit. Once everything is marinated, you want to stir it up a couple times and turn your heat down to really low. And that's it. I'm definitely going to make more simmer pots. I'm going to change up the ingredients, but let me know what y'all think about this one.